We're back down here for an exciting day today. So we were supposed to be tuning the 34 today, but the power went out and the goddamn thing is stuck on the hoist, so that ain't happening. So next on the list is something that I think all you've been waiting for, which is we're going to pick up the 86 today. You boy, she's completely done. Everything's finished on it. The wheels are done. The paint's all done. The new front lip. We ended up getting new tail lights for it. And they've got it under a cover. They've got it under a cover for us. And Corey should be here in a second, and we're going to shoot down. Going to grab the tray plate because I'm going to drive it back. But yeah, they're going to unveil it for us. I haven't seen it. They didn't. I made sure they didn't send me any photos or anything because I want to get shocked just as much as you guys, so you guys get to see it at the same time as I get to see it, and it's going to be crazy. It's going to be next level. And if you want to know, it's going to be given away after the NUG, so the month of, what's that, October? Yeah, I think October. I think that's right, yeah. Yeah, that'll be live, so pretty crazy. It's a pretty epic giveaway, something pretty rare. I decided against keeping it myself. It's not really a car that I'd keep for myself. I mean, I would if I won it for $30, but the price that they're worth is just insane. And I prefer to have my cars that I can thrash and put together cheap, thrash the shit out of them and enjoy them as much as possible. Maybe when I'm a billionaire one day, I'll start collecting rare cars like that 86. Or if someone else wants to do a giveaway, I'll enter that one. And then maybe I can enjoy it for cheapness. But yeah, let's grab this tray plate. Corey should be here in a second, and let's get on our way.
Let's keep it right.
Oh, I farted. I'll drive this up. Corey's here in his big ute. He loves his utes, loves his boots, loves his country hat. Where's your hat? You have to wear it. Here she is, country Corey.
I got my ringer strap on underneath.
Oh yeah. God damn, ready for a BNS every day of the week. Alright, let's get down there. Got the tray plate, got some fuels. I reckon we'll top her up and she'll be good to cruise back. Maybe we'll move some cars. We'll move the 32 out of the way, get it under so we can back the 86 in and just stare at it for forever.
A while.
If it starts. I guess it was meant to be. The car was meant to be up in the hoist, just so we could fit the 86 in. Let's go get this bad boy. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah.
You're supposed to smack it on Lemmy.
It's cold. Got to give it at least 5
You've been
seconds.
driving all day.
Shut your ass.
Stop lying to the people.
Let's do it. like it broke. We got him. Sure. Always time for some KFC. Because I'm hungry. Give me some Jack.
Uh-oh, we're gonna line up.
Oh, yeah.
Get out of the way, Karen.
Goddamn Karen.
Can't even make the turn.
Please wear a mask. Thanks, Gary. Around the corner and I'm so nervous. Literally right there now. Literally. Fuck off. You excited? So I'm not. I'm over it already. Oh shit, we missed it. No, I didn't. It's just up here. Got them butterflies. There she is, right? Oh shit, try not to miss the entrance this time.
Oh, there it is. It's been rear-ended already.
Not the Jazz.
Isn't that a Civic?
Just park her up here somewhere. Did Sonny? Let's go see this thing. Oh, all the COVID things. Got our marks on. Yeah. There she is. Oh. It's shut. It's all black. I asked for white.
Are you ready?
Ready? Go for it. Oh, damn. Woo! Literally shut her. God damn, boy. It looks beautiful. It looks immaculate. I don't know what's that. Features? No, it's just the sort of part of the... That's better. Brave spank. Headlights up here as well. Polished it. that's it. Mask's off now. Social distancing. Oh, you seen her now? She's immaculate now to try and get her home safely. Trying to avoid them stone chips and whatnot. But yeah, I don't know, speechless. The car's immaculate. The wheels are like brand new. All the rust is gone. It had like 100 dents on the roof and bonnet. They're all gone. Literally, I'm speechless. The car is crazy. It's immaculate. Really hope it goes to someone deserving of the thing. Lock it up, never use it. Just look at it. That's about it. That's all you can do with something like this. They're so nice. Alright, let's get out of here.
Guys, driving her home. Looks mint.
it back one piece. No stone chips. A little bit of tire shines on it. God damn. No stone chips. It was actually really nice to cruise. It sat on the freeway pretty good and fifth. It sat at like 4,000, but they rev out heaps more than that. Just getting a few looks here and there. We're glad to get it back in one piece. Temperature was sitting down at like a quarter. Oil temperature's about half, so it was all pretty normal. Had a little bit of a miss when we first took off. We pulled over and checked it out, and one of the back plugs was a bit how you going, so we just got some electrical tape on it and it seemed to fix her up. So we'll get some new leads on it. We've got to do a full overhaul and check on the car. Yeah, a few little fix-ups, but overall pretty good. The body's all done, that's for sure. God dang. In this sunlight, it's like perfect. You can see like how good the air repair is on that roof. I literally, like, it had dents everywhere. It had like one big one there, like little scratch dents, and like right on the corners and stuff.
Like perfect.
It is. They went back to bare metal and absolutely nailed it. So massive shout out to those guys, Stanles Body Works. Yeah, Lewis and the guys did an amazing job. Yeah. And their wheel guy, I'm not sure, I'll have to find out the name. He did the wheels. He did an awesome job too. So yeah. Now we park her up. Need a cover for her. Should have stolen their cover. I don't want to wash it because I don't want to have to potentially scratch it at all. God damn. That's it. It's parked up. Ready for some more love. Got the seat to put in, clean up the engine bay, make it run a bit nicer. A few other little tiny things, but it's good to have her home. It's been a while. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys like the paint job. Give your comments down below if you want to win this thing coming up in October. God damn. Thanks for watching, boys.